Welcome back to AutoVibe, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury and innovation, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz. This model isn't just a car, it's an experience that redefines modern driving. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz features a sleek, aerodynamic body sculpted with precision. From its signature LED digital light headlamps to the diamond block grille, every angle exudes elegance and performance. The redesigned front fascia gives it a commanding road presence, while smooth-flowing lines run gracefully from hood to tail. Its futuristic alloy wheels and flush door handles not only enhance the look but also boost efficiency. Available in a range of striking new colors, the exterior is a perfect blend of art and engineering. Now step inside, and welcome to a cabin that feels like a first-class lounge. The interior is finished with ultra-premium materials, including Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and customizable ambient lighting. The massive MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, integrating AI-driven infotainment, navigation, and vehicle control. The seats are not just heated and ventilated, but also offer massage functions for both front and rear passengers. With active noise cancellation and a Burmester 4D surround sound system, your ride feels like a peaceful escape from the outside world. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz continues to lead the pack. Powered by a next-generation mild hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, it offers smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet rides, and exceptional fuel efficiency. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides impeccable control in all weather conditions. From city streets to open highways, the suspension adapts in real time for unmatched comfort. A quick look into history reminds us that Mercedes-Benz has always been a pioneer. From inventing the very first automobile to introducing cutting-edge safety and tech features, the brand never stops innovating. And in 2025, it continues that legacy with semi-autonomous driving, over-the-air updates, and advanced AI assistance. So whether you're a tech lover, a performance enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys the finer things in life, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz delivers on every front. Stay tuned to AutoVibe for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and exclusive updates from the auto world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the vibe.